Welcome once again, and let's talk about Tectonic token price prediction. Now, what's the prediction for Tectonic token in 2025? How much can Tectonic token return in the next 3 years? Remember, this month we make it 1 year. This coin have actually started existing. Now, in the next 3 years, of course, that is a very long period of time, but we still believe that Tectonic token will definitely return a very high level. Right now, it's still trading with about 7 zeros. Earlier, it was trading with 6 zeros before adding another zero. In the next 3 years, I believe that we'll be seeing Tectonic token in a very high level. Now, Bitcoin definitely will determine where Tectonic token will be in the next 3 years. We believe that if BTC can be at the level of over $100,000 or $150,000 or $200,000 in the next 3 years, Tectonic token might be trading at a very level at 100,000 to 1 million% in the next 3 years. Tectonic token might be deleting between 2 to 4 zeros. Well, I still believe that Crypto.com, the one that hosted Tectonic token, they have been doing that bet, they have been supporting Tectonic token. You can see much volume, higher volume has been traded on Crypto.com. And also VVS Finance, they have been supporting Tectonic token. Now, in 2025, we know that Tectonic token, with the project they have, and also they'll be talking about the burning of Tectonic token in order to reduce the supply and the circulating supply. We will be seeing Tectonic token will be trading with just 5 or 4 zeros. But for me, remember, even though it's 1 zero, that is about 1,000%. $100 returns about $1,000. That is still a profit. But we know that Tectonic token is going to delete above that. It's going to hit over 3,000 to 10,000% soon, and might even hit 100,000%. This is crypto industry. I still believe that Tectonic token have the foundation, they have the project, they have all it takes. If in the last 1 year, which is the first year anniversary for Tectonic token, this coin have gained a lot of support. They have gained a lot of Twitter followers. The market cap have once hit about $16 million. And recently, both Candlestick have listed Tectonic token. We now have 3 exchanges that have listed this coin. Very soon you'll be seeing BigX, you'll be seeing Hotbit, Kucoin, Get.io, Lbank, Exit.com. We'll be seeing other top crypto exchanges listing Tectonic token, and I hope that Tectonic token is definitely going to hit a high level in 2025. Once again, remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.